Hi, welcome to Sailing Britican, and today I'm going to take you through the engine check that I do before we leave port. I do these checks without fail before I switch the engine on. Why do we do engine checks? We do this to prevent engine failure. For our Patreon supporters and Britican club members, they'll be getting an extended version of this video. This will cover my thoughts on the week-long diesel engine course that I took. Find out if I think you should take a similar course or not. Additionally, I will go through the 4 reasons why we had engine failure, so our members know how to deal with this situation if it happens to them. I have 2 main entrances to our engine room. I have 2 doors in here, and I have a panel which is under the sink. If you want to follow me, I'll show you where the double doors are. Okay, we have to come in and get cozy. Double doors, opens out, and there's our engine. I'm going to show you what I do, just my pre-checks on my engine, and what I do is wobbles. Okay, the first one, W, water. Come into my header tank here and check there's water in there, and there is, so happy with that. Next one, oil. Okay, wipe it off clean. Put it down. So what I'm looking for on my engine, it likes to be halfway between the 2 marks, which it is, and I'm really happy with that. Right, next one, wobbles, belts. I've got 2 alternators on here, and what I'm doing is I'm making sure when I twist it that I don't go any more, it doesn't go any more than a 1/4 turn. And they're all perfect on them. So this one is for my house batteries, and this one is for my engine batteries. So, and the other one is batteries, which we checked earlier, but you can check on your batteries. Sometimes they have batteries in here. L is for leaks. So what I'm looking for is looking around here, see if I can see any leaks. I can't see anything. Any leaks on the engine? No, I'm quite happy with that. E is for electrics, and what I'm looking for is all the wires. Just checking the wires, see if anything looks out of place, because once you get to know your engine, you'll be fine on that one. And the next one will be start, so we'll go upstairs and we're going to start the engine, and I'll show you how I gain access to the other side. Follow me. So when I open this side, I get access to all of this. What I'm looking for is there's no leaks from the fuel, all the electrics are okay, and there's no water leak from the impeller over here. And then I check for any leaks. So that's what I do. S is for start. So I press run. If you're in a cold area, I hold the heat for 5 seconds, but it's nice and warm here. Quickly press it and then she starts. After I've started it, what I do then is I go and check for the water coming out of the exhaust, but it doesn't come out of the exhaust in it comes out of a pipe right underneath the bottom of the boat underwater. So what I have to do then is go to the side of the boat and check for bubbles. I can see the bubbles now, and that tells me that the engine's working, cooling system's working great. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. And to keep these videos coming, please support us on Patreon or join our Britican club. Both options provide premium content to help you get out and enjoy the liveaboard cruiser's lifestyle. The information about both can be found below, and also over here.
That's good.
Or here.
No, not there.
Or there.
No.
Or here.
Okay.